Hi everyone. In this video we're going to continue working on our block. We are going to, by the end of this video, have our intersections down for the top of our Lego block, which will be the center, or we'll have the center points for our circles that we're going to end up push-pulling up, or extruding up. So how we're going to start this is we are going to start again by whatever orientation we're in here. We're going to come in and click on the lower right ISO view. From there, if you zoom in, zoom out to where you want to start working, I want to be able to see my top 4 lines right here. What I'm going to do is come in and select my line. I'm going to right click it and I'm going to divide. I'm going to divide this into 4 segments. I'm going to divide the other side into 4 segments. And then on the 2 long edges, I'm going to divide it by 8 segments. The reason why I'm dividing these is I want to have little endpoints for myself to be able to click on with my tape measure tool to put my guidelines down. Once again, dividing that by 8 segments. Now the next tool I'm going to use, and I haven't used it much right now yet, is the tape measure tool. The tape measure tool is great for layout. Coming in here, I want to select this top one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go from endpoint now that I should have to endpoint. And I should have, I think, 4 of them going down and then 2 of them going across. So just checking it out, sliding down, I should see blue. That's midpoint. I want to go endpoint. Green, I meant. To green, endpoint to endpoint, endpoint to endpoint, and I can kind of tell where they're going to end up being just because they're equally spaced, and it should snap it pretty close. Sorry, I misspoke earlier. The light blues are the midpoints. If you see those, we don't want to select those. Alright, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different lines going that way, and then I want to have my other couple going this way. So endpoint to endpoint, then endpoint to endpoint. Now that I have all these intersections down here, I have my block ready to go for the next process, which is going to be making the circles on top, little snap together pieces on top of our Lego brick. I hope this video helped get the layout pieces down. Remember to stop, pause, rewind if you have to do these parts. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.